Any comment there, Keith?
Nope.
Nothing?
Nope.
Okay.
Nothing at all.
But you'd like it if you could AI some snow.
It
or
wasn't
something for the weather department to do.
Yeah, some entertainment. Yeah, no, it's quiet. I mean, we got a little light snow today. I'm actually thinking ahead to we got some snow today, but we might have 7 days of dry weather after that, which in early February is, usually if you get 7 days of dry weather in early February, it's like 10 degrees for a high. You know what I mean? Like, it comes with cold, and we don't even have that. It's a very interesting pattern in that way. We do have that light snow moving across the state right now. Not a huge impact here for the evening commute, but there's a couple of spots, where snow's coming down. Bangor, one of them just south of Bangor, especially in Ellsworth here, with a couple of snow showers. I would describe these as snow showers because they're broken up in nature. Right along the immediate coastline, a couple of rain showers involved in that too, as temperatures are a bit too warm. To the south, there hasn't been a whole lot of action, just a quick clip down across Cape Elizabeth here into Scarborough. But yeah, it's quiet up until the mountains in northern Maine. That's where the snow will be falling over the next few hours. And there it's more of a stratiform light snow into Aroostook County, especially through early tomorrow morning. The rest of us just see a quick snow shower or rain shower along the immediate coastline. Temperatures actually fairly mild tonight, staying around freezing for most of us. And then tomorrow we're cloudy to start, but we break a few holes, I think, in the sky cover and get a little bit of sun here and there. Isolated rain or snow shower, not a big deal. There's a storm that's developing to our east here, but overall it's going to be too far east to be an issue for us. And then we roll into the weekend and it's nice and quiet and brighter, especially by Saturday afternoon into Sunday when it looks like we'll see some sunshine. Temperatures right around freezing or a little bit below that for both weekend days. So snowfall amounts here 1 to 3 broadly over far northern Maine, and then the rest of us in the shaded blue could see a quick coating. Outside of that, I don't think we'll have any issues at all. Just a quick rain or snow shower again to the coastline and inland later tonight into early tomorrow morning. So there's that low, develops into a pretty good storm system to our east. Not our problem though. High pressure builds in, and what happens is we get a split flow where storms stay to our south, other storms stay well to our north, and we just kind of hang out in the middle here. And as I mentioned, what makes this unusual is that we do that without cold. A lot of times you get a big Arctic high comes down, protects you for 5-6 days, but you have to deal with really anomalously cold temperatures. That's not the case here. We've got stuff moving through the atmosphere, but everything stays to our south or north. And so even when I look way out here, 7 to 10 days out on the GFS American model, which is tending to be more aggressive developing storms in the long range, there's nothing there. So temperature trend here also above average. So all of that is, I think, actually it's kind of a nice pattern to be in this time of the year if you're not a meteorologist. It's quiet. We'll see much more sun starting over this weekend. So that'll be really pleasant because we've had a bit of a sun problem there. If you can get out skiing or whatever, should be great next week because I am a sucker for that like 35 and sunny situation, which we've got 1 or 2 of those, it looks like, next week.
Yeah, I feel like you're going to jinx yourself, though. You're just going to, one of these weeks, this is going to be storm after storm after storm.
And like, I don't mind that. That blitz will happen. I just don't know when it's going to be. Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Keith.